beautiful people of Moods with Just Sue. Yes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Susan, and if you like what you're seeing, kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate. And yes, we are growing. At kama ni one person at a time, it's still growth and it still counts. So thank you, and welcome to the family. Yeah, welcome to this week's vlog. Yeah, I realized like it's like watu mnapenda nini content ya kupika, so I'll try as much as possible in each vlog. I include like a meal, something that I've prepared. I'm not a really good cook, as I said before, but we are learning. Yeah, we're learning. Lazima tukae wife material. Anyway, so today I want to prepare some ndoma. I think they are ArrowRoots in English, I'm not sure. So I want to make some ndoma and beef. I was to add some potatoes, but I just felt lazy kutembea hadi kwenye lake ziko like around where I live, like they are not easily available, plus say place like zimepanda bei, so there's like a shop but it goes some distance. I didn't feel like walking up to there, so yeah, so just make the ndoma and beef. Then I was craving chapati, so I got one chapati, so I'll have the chapati. So here's my like a grocery. So I got these buns. These are for breakfast. They are the brown buns. Yeah, so I'll have them for 2 days, tomorrow and tomorrow and the other day, the following day. What? Tomorrow and the okay, whatever. Then here's the chapati. It's a brown chapati. Yeah. Then I got the green pepper, tomatoes. I didn't have tomatoes in the house. I usually buy them like not in bulk, but weekly. I get them weekly, but zilikuwa zimeisha. Then here's the beef, and here are the ndoma nimechongewa penye nimebuy. So this zilikuwa hizi ni za 110. Nimechoose mbili ya 60 and 50 bob, but I paid 100 bob. Malinkatia 10 bob. Yeah. So let's get preparing. Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So I wanted to tell you guys. So penye nilikuwa nachongewa hizi. Let me hope I'm still in frame. Yeah, so I have like onions and this. Jackie. Ginger. I have to say like both ginger and garlic so I can know in Ghana. So this is ginger. I have a lot of vitungus and some pilipili, but I don't think I'll add pilipili. So yeah. I've been buying these small ones, but I think I'll start getting the big ones. So yeah, I want to tell you guys, penye nilikuwa nachongewa hizi, kuna mademo walikuwa wamesimama for 3 ladies. So they were saying like, oh, nimemaliza shule, like I'm done with school, hata sina pesa, like they're so excited wamemaliza shule. I don't know. Kuna mtu amemaliza shule? Kuna watu I don't know. But yeah, walikuwa wanasema, oh, how they're excited wamemaliza shule nini. And I was like, what? Mngejua nini na wangoza huku nje. But anyway, let them have their moments. Yeah. So I want like, okay, usually I don't like boil these. I just cook them like the normal cooking. Then I'll add water if it chemke. But I've come to realize that takes away the taste. so inakuwa like iko na maji mingi and blah blah blah, hadi taste inapotea. So I've decided I'm going to boil them first. Oh, let me show you one day. Ikwe like naongelelea vitu zenye sio hizo. So here, hope you can see. Yeah, hizi ndio like the ndoma. Hope you can see. Yeah. So I want to first boil them. Lapsa nizikarange. Hopefully it will turn out good. I like ndoma. It's weird because growing up I never used to like them. My mom would make them for us, and she would mix this ndoma, potatoes and bananas. So mostly I will eat the potatoes. Like hata ningesaviwa I will like pick. I pick the potatoes, I leave the ndoma and the bananas. But when you grow up, I don't know, they start getting sweet or something. So yeah, I really like them now. Something else that I never used to like are njahe. And let me tell you guys, actually I was craving them. Like I can have them every single week. Well, not every day, but every single week I must have njahe. I'm going to clean them. Then I boil them. Well, something else I remembered, like ya kumaliza shule. So when I finished like campus, there's this guy that I was talking to, and was like, oh, now you have time to travel, you go see the world. So today I found a meme where like someone, like, yeah, you know how memes are, like you should, in your 20s are meant for traveling. And then there's a picture of a man crying in a car. And then it's written, the only travel I can afford is traveling from work to back home. Then I remembered that guy telling me, oh, now that you're done with school, you should travel, you should see the world. And I'm like, with what money? I cannot even afford airtime. And want me to travel to where? To the shop or where? Hey, anyway, life. This thing called life. That's it gets there. At some point we will get there. Yeah, for me I like to travel. The first place I would like to go to is Italy. Like Italy looks so good. Like it's aesthetically pleasing. Like it looks like a cool place. Yeah, I'd like to travel to even maybe live there someday. Yeah, although I'm not like a big fan of living abroad, but maybe like for like a few months, maybe like 6 months, just to experience. Yeah, another country I like to travel to is South Africa. Should I add salt? But I don't think so. Plus, I'm really trying to minimize on my salt intake. Mimi ni ule mtu unakula chumvi na chakula. kwa napenda chumvi is the day I bought this big one. I think maybe it's the 1 kg one. I think so. And it didn't even last. I expected it to go for like 6 months or something. Hey, within like 2-3 months, I was like, what the hell? This is serious. We really need to reduce our salt intake. Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to add water. Salt, sorry. So let's prepare this. And I think I've talked enough. So I think we'll just put you on a time lapse back on this, okay?